The train is now arriving. Please mind the gap. The rain washes the frequency. A muted broadcast in the street. The rain washes the frequency over and over. A muted broadcast in the street. Damp wool heavy on my shoulders. Water sliding down the glass. I am a ghost in the terminal, moving through the evening rush. Nobody looks up from the floor. The rhythm of the boots is loud. I carry a signal nobody hears, lost in the collective white noise. The rain washes the frequency. A muted broadcast in the street. The rain washes the frequency over and over. A muted broadcast in the street. The traffic lights turn green. Wait for the tires to splash. I remember a different station. A time when the air felt thin. Now the atmosphere is thick. A heavy coat of blue and violet. Searching for the quiet parts. Searching for the quiet parts.